GCASH, BPI, real-time transfer, hassle-free, with minimal service fee? Yes!
Hi madlang Pilas! In this video, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-transfer ng money from GCash to BPI. So before, yung last video ko po, from BPI to GCash, no transaction fee. So before we start, would like to thank to Miss Nobel Makaspag kasi may question siya kung paano naman daw po ibaliktad GCash to BPI. May charge po ba? So, please keep on watching madlang Pelas. Tara!
Okay, punta po tayo sa ating GCash. Enter po natin yung ating PIN code. Next, click po natin yung send money. Next, click po natin yung bank transfer. Next, click po natin yung partner banks, BPI. Enter amount kung magkano yung ito-transfer natin. Next, yung account details, account name, account number. Be sure sa account number and account name kasi kapag mali ang details, hindi magpo-proceed yung transfer natin. And take note, 15 pesos fee will be charged per transaction. Automatic, kasama siyang ibabawas ni GCash. Before mag-proceed yung transaction, may 6 digits code na isesend sa registered mobile number natin. Ingatan po natin ang ating OTP code and wag na wag isi-share sa iba. Okay, punta tayo sa ating GCash and enter natin yung 6 digits code na na-receive natin. Okay, successful na yung ating transaction. Screenshot natin for our record. And makaka-receive tayo ng confirmation text from GCash. And check to our online BPI account. Sabi, real time daw. Enter natin yung ating username and password. Okay, so as per transaction history, receive na yung transfer from GCash. real time, minimal fee, and hassle-free.
Hope may natutunan po kayo sa video natin today. And if yes, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have comment or question, you can comment down below. Malay nyo po, sa susunod na video, yung requested video nyo po ang isi-share natin. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and pindutin ang bell button para lagi po kayong updated sa mga video na i-upload ko. See you on my next video, madlang fellas! Good luck!